Why do Aurora Borealis phenomena disrupt modern technology? Imagine a night sky glowing with shimmering green, pink, and purple lights dancing over Scandinavia. That's the Aurora Borealis, also called the Northern Lights. But beneath this stunning display, something else is happening. These beautiful lights can cause real problems for our technology. The Aurora Borealis occurs when charged particles from the sun, known as solar wind, hit Earth's magnetic field and atmosphere near the polar regions. This interaction excites gases in the atmosphere, creating the colorful light show we see. But it also causes disturbances in the Earth's magnetosphere and ionosphere, layers filled with charged particles. These disturbances are called geomagnetic storms. During a geomagnetic storm, the magnetic field gets shaken up, which can interfere with many of our modern systems. Satellites orbiting high above the Earth are especially vulnerable. The energetic particles can disrupt their electronics or even cause temporary malfunctions. This can affect satellite-based services like GPS, which many people relying on for navigation, flying planes, or timing financial transactions. When these signals get scrambled, it can lead to inaccurate positions or even complete outages. Radio signals are also affected. The ionosphere, a layer of charged particles in the atmosphere, helps radio waves travel long distances. When the ionosphere gets disturbed by the Aurora Borealis, radio signals can fade or be lost altogether. This is especially problematic for aviation and maritime operations in the Arctic and Scandinavian regions, where communication is vital. Power grids are not safe from these storms either. The geomagnetic activity can induce electric currents in long power lines and transformers. In Scandinavia, where the power grid is high latitude and sensitive, these currents can overload equipment, cause voltage swings, or even lead to blackouts. This has happened before during strong geomagnetic storms, reminding us how natural phenomena can impact infrastructure. Satellites face another threat. The energetic particles can physically damage their delicate electronics and solar panels, shortening their lifespan or causing temporary failures. Scandinavian research centers, like the Esrange Space Center in Sweden, study these effects closely. They launch rockets and use radar systems to better understand how space weather impacts technology. Scientists are still learning about all the ways the Aurora Borealis can disrupt our tech. Some mechanisms, like plasma turbulence, are not fully understood yet. This ongoing research helps improve forecasts and develop better protective measures for satellites, power grids, and communication systems. In Scandinavia, where the Northern Lights are a natural wonder, understanding these disruptions is key. Monitoring solar activity and geomagnetic conditions helps keep our technology safe. By studying space weather, scientists can warn us before a big storm hits, so we can protect our satellites and power supplies. This way, we can enjoy the beauty of the Aurora Borealis without losing the technology we depend on every day.